Hello everyone, my name is George. I'm from Anchor Creative Education and welcome to a new series called George Explains. I'm going to quickly explain possessive apostrophes. An apostrophe is used to show that something belongs to something else, like George's ears, George's nose, George's car, George's baby. We do not use an apostrophe to show that there is more than one of something, a plural. Like I can see the dogs with an apostrophe. Oh, no. We do not need an apostrophe to show a plural. We use an apostrophe to show that something belongs to something else. Now, the apostrophe, like a comma in the sky, does not make a sound. It cannot speak. An apostrophe needs a little helper, and the helper will make the sound for the apostrophe. That helper in English is the letter S. The sound it makes is S, which is why we might say George apostrophe S ears, George apostrophe S car, George apostrophe S nose. The apostrophe is for our brain when we're reading. We understand that that thing belongs to that thing. The S is for our ears. So if I am talking to someone, I could say, I like Tom's cat. I don't need to say, I like Tom apostrophe S cat, because that would be weird. The apostrophe shows that something belongs to something else, and the S is the sound of the apostrophe.